leaving your man, that your man he is cheating on you. After leaving him, you are divorcing. Now you are a single mother. Guys, you can't stay you can't stay a long time without a man. Especially you are in a young age, especially 30s. You understand? The 30s, you are very young to live without a man just because we have got feelings, we have got blood. You understand? And now you have been divorcing with your man. Guys, it's difficult a woman to find a man who is single, who is in her age, who is single. You understand? That's why nowadays women who want single men, that woman, she is dating a person who is younger than her. You understand? Just because, guys, nowadays is difficult, but a man can find a woman who is single. But it's easy to a man to find a woman who is single, but it's difficult to a woman because you are going to date those married men when you want a man who is in your age. If you are a single mother, you understand, are married men, and you are divorcing your husband that he is cheating. Now you are dating those